Hi dolls. Today, we're restoring every Barbie collector's holy grail, a Bild Lilli doll. Well, the miniature version of it. She's got stains all over, her hair's a disaster, and her chest looks like she lost a bar fight, but we're bringing the scandalous lady back. Did I hear someone say bringing sexy back? I'll just see myself out. First, I give her a gentle cleaning with a soft toothbrush and some vinyl cleaner. And yes, I'm fully aware she's not vinyl, but it's mild and she's fragile, like emotionally and structurally, which, same. I scrub carefully, especially in the tiny creases, then wipe her down with a wet cloth to get rid of any leftover grime. Next up, the hair stain. I use acetone, just a little and exclusively on the stain, because hard plastic and acetone definitely don't get along well. Now, the chest situation. I mix up some milliput 2-part epoxy clay and start rebuilding the area with silicone tools. It's kind of like reconstructive surgery, except I'm the doctor and I have no license. And why on earth does she have a gaping hole on the side of her chest, you ask? Well, I'm not sure. I actually bid on her a few years back and she comes from Switzerland, I think. And by some miracle, I actually managed to get her for a really good price, which I guess you could call that foreshadowing. I had no idea that underneath the sewn-on gown, she had a massive hole. Yes, I'm fully aware of what I just said. Once it's sculpted, I let it cure completely. After it hardens, I use a custom paint to match her skin tone and apply a thin layer over the area. Then I seal it with a UV gel. Cure it under the lamp, and use whatever leftover paint is left on the back of my hand to dry brush over the edges for a smoother blend. You can definitely tell by the state of my hands that shit really started to hit the fan around this point, because I could not for the life of me match the skin tone, but I got there eventually. Face touch-ups are next. I start with the lips. Then the eyes. Just reconnecting the original lines where the paint faded, nothing more, nothing less. And finally, her shoes. They get their little black touch-up, so she can walk all over us again, properly. Then, it's hair time. I gently brush it with some water. No pulling, just gliding across. Poor thing's been through enough without me adding insult to injury. As for the curl, I wrap the ends of the hair around a pipe cleaner, and I roll it up towards the head. Then I tried to use my hairdryer on the lowest setting, but eventually I just lost all patience and kind of just let her hair dry. I tie her ponytail using a rubberized tie similar to the original one, and I give her back her signature bow. Because I know I'm gonna get comments about this. No, that is not dirt on my hands, that is actually rubber. Before realizing I already had some rubber cord, I actually tried to make my own and it didn't really go so well. Also, don't worry, it did not come off on the doll, it barely came off my hands. Now, she needs to stand. Literally. I designed her a custom base myself because, of course, I did. I 3D printed it with my resin printer. Then I marked where the prongs should go. I cut a piece of soft metal, bend it into an L shape, flatten the bottom, then I drilled 2 holes in the base. And finally, I glued everything in. Then I highlight the embossed text with a black marker so it pops up under a final coat of spray paint. And just like that, she's back. No more stains, no more caved in chest, she's all cleaned up, fixed up, and back to looking like the icon she was always meant to be. If you enjoyed watching this restoration, give it a like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which doll you'd like to see dragged out of the grave next. Thanks for watching!